Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a DIY glitter lip gloss with some household items. I know in a lot of videos you see Versagel. Today we're just going to be using aloe vera gel and some Vaseline as a base. I'm also going to be adding some tea tree and rosehip oil just for soft and moisturized lips. And lastly, some cosmetic glitter. Then you just need a clear container. So first I just put the aloe vera gel in a bowl. Then you can add your Vaseline. Then just mix it all up for a bit. Now I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. You can't really see the pipette, but I'm just adding the rosehip oil. Now I'm just adding a few drops of tea tree oil. Then I'm just going to mix it up for a little while longer, and then I'm going to put it back in the microwave for 10 more seconds. This is what it looks like when it comes back out the microwave. Now you can just stir it up some more, and then you're ready to add the glitter. I only recommend either cosmetic glitter or an edible glitter like cake pearl dust. Once you've added the glitter and mixed it all in, you can put it into your clear container, and then you're all done. And this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.